with this ring, Rachel.
Hey! Hi.
Everything okay, bud?
Not really.
What are you doing?
This is gonna sound really crazy, but I'm gonna need to see that ring for just 1 second. 1 second.
Have you lost your mind?
I'm gonna give it right back, I promise. Please, Randall, it's really important. Can I?
No, bro. Go sit down.
Randall, give me the ring, please. Just.
Okay, Randall, don't look at him. Look at me.
Randall, 1 second.
Put the ring on my finger.
No, Randall, listen to me. I need...
Randall, look at me. Ring on my finger.
Randall, give me the ring. Give me just 1 second.
Put a ring on it. Please, love. Okay?
With this ring.
Yes, baby.
I'm so sorry about this.
No, Marco.
Oh, boy. Anybody hurt? Sonic!
Hawaii. And here we go.
Eat your heart out, Shaun White.
Papa's got a brand new stash.
Oh, Lord, there are two of them now.
You're never going to get my power.
Do I look like I need your power? Sonic the Hedgehog 2.
I don't know how you got back, but you made a big mistake coming here.
Oh, contraire, mon frère. The mistake was thinking you'd won.
I get it.
I don't think you do.
But you're about to. And so will that idiot sheriff and his wife.
And your little dog, too!
Pitiful.
Who are you?
Where are my manners? Sonic, meet Knuckles, my new BFFAE. Bestest friend forever and ever.